peeps, it's Suzette from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an AP Maths question on integration by parts, taken from the 2019 IAB Paper 1. In this question, we identify that we're going to need to use parts because we have a product of an algebraic function and another function. So the easiest way is to do parts, but there might be other methods that also work. When I talk about integration by parts, we are using a formula on our formula sheet that is given like this. The integral of f of x times g dashed x dx can be written as the product of f of x, g of x, minus the integral of g of x times f dashed x dx. And so that is our integration by part formulae. Okay, so we're going to use parts, and so we need to choose carefully. Often if we have an x, we make that one f of x, because then in our new integral, f dashed x is just 1. So I'm going to let f of x equal x so that its derivative is 1, which means that the other part of my original is e to the 2x. So now when we're working out g of x, we are actually doing integration. Now, e to the x is one of those fantastic functions. In fact, it's the only function where the derivative of e to the x is also the integral of e to the x and is the function e to the x. So when we are working out g dashed x as e to the 2x, then its integral will be e to the 2x as well, but then we have to divide by the derivative of 2x. So this is probably the trickiest part here, is to get that half over there. Okay, so what have we got? We've now got an integral that started off like that has become a product of f and g, and it doesn't matter how complicated that is. What needs to be simpler is this new integral needs to be simpler than the last one. And it is simple because we can take this constant term out. Okay, so if we continue now with this integral, what we have is we have our e to the 2x times x dx, which has become our half x e to the 2x, and this new integral minus a half times by e to the 2x, but again divide by the derivative of 2x, and don't forget your constant of integration. So that tidies up to half x e to the 2x minus a quarter e to the 2x plus c. Okay, so this question probably can be done a different way, but by parts is by far the easiest, and it's a very useful method of integration and works in many products. So before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.